Howdy comrades, and welcome back to another episode of Bullet Repairs. Today we're going to be cleaning the mass airflow sensor. We need a couple wrenches here, a couple extensions, and also some mass airflow cleaner.
This is the first step here. We have to remove this whole chunk. On some vehicles you can just remove this plug, which is actually connected into the mass airflow sensor, but because this is mounted up here, the sensor actually goes in an L shape and goes down into this housing. You can't pull it out that way. What you're going to do, pull off these bolts and disconnect the air hose. Slide it there. Should be loose. Put that there nicely. Now it's nice and easy, which is always a plus. And enough extensions, and then you get it. Let's see. I don't even reach my hand in there. Excellent. Make sure we unplug this. Take that away. Put that stuff in there.
This is the mass airflow sensor and housing removed from the vehicle. Make sure that you don't touch the actual sensor on the inside of this housing. One end of the mass airflow sensor housing does not have a screen on it. That's what we're looking at here.
There you can see what I mean about how it makes that L turn. So we're going to spray this.
While you're spraying the filter, it's very important to not touch the sensor with either your hands or with the actual plastic tip. Make sure it's just the cleaning fluid that is in contact with the sensor.
You can already see that it's much cleaner there.
After spraying down the sensor from both sides, you should notice that the little metal wires are now clean and clear of carbon. They should look silver again. And so that does it for cleaning our mass airflow sensor. It's a pretty quick procedure, it took about 15 minutes, and the car is back up and running. And I took it around the block to make sure that that was functional. It's not hesitating, stumbling, anything like that. It's running good. Hopefully this will keep it running good for another long while. Thanks again, comrades, for joining me here on another Bullet Repair, and we'll see you on the next one. Remember, if you enjoyed this or found this helpful, please give us a like, share, and consider subscribing, because we've got more content like this coming up.